Hi, this is Rubaat Khan, and welcome to Lecture 2 of Object-Oriented Programming. In this lecture, we are going to create our first class and an object. So let's get started. So in order to create a class, we need to write the class keyword here, followed by a class name. And the class name can be anything except for numbers. A class name cannot be numbers. A class name cannot start with a number. A class name can have numbers at the end or in the middle, but cannot start with a number. And a class name cannot be keywords. For example, if, for. Okay, these are keywords, so these keywords cannot be class name. Other than these restrictions, a class name can be anything. So if we look over here, I have created a class named student, where I've used the class keyword followed by the name student and followed by colon. So you have a class keyword, class name followed by colon. And everything over here belongs to this class. Okay. So right now I don't have anything, but in the future we will see that we will be creating variables, other data structures and methods inside the class. And the rule for creating an object is the class name followed by parentheses, and you store this object you created in a variable. So over here, I've created the student object. So this student object is the object of this student class, and we stored it in a variable, and I named it as. You can name it whatever you want. Of course, you have to keep in mind about the rule for variables. Another question is, what happens when we create an object? So in the previous example we wrote something like this. So what it looks like is the object is created inside the variable. Okay, so what it look like? But in reality, the object is not created inside this variable. Okay, so the object is not created in the variable s. Then where? The object is created inside our RAM. So we know that our RAM is an array. So if this is our RAM, so these are the cells of a RAM, and each cell has an address just like an array. So let's call it A1, A2, A3, and so on. So this object or any object is created inside one of the cells. And this variable over here contains this memory address or the RAM address where the object is created. So the variable s contains A1, okay, not the object. Again, the object is created inside our RAM, and this variable contains the location where the object is created. So this is a very important concept of OOP, because in future we are going to see how to access variables and methods using this variable where we store the memory location. Thank you very much.